50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 9. Compassion. Heavenly Father, fill my heart with compassion for those who are suffering. Grant me the ability to offer comfort and support to those in need. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
You are stronger than you think. Keep pushing forward.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Purchase products made from sustainable materials, such as bamboo or recycled materials.
For unity for a happier world.
Unity is the foundation upon which we can build a world free from violence and conflict.
What is the purpose of our life?
The reality of our presence is that we are here to learn, to grow, and to evolve as individuals and as a society.
Today's children are the future leaders of the world. They follow our example, and we are responsible for being an example for them worthy of following. We are responsible. We can make the world a better place for children by doing small things. When we are kind and caring, when we protect the environment, and when we strive for change, when we start each day with a new motivation and purpose, we show children how they can change the world. By educating and inspiring children, we can prepare them to become leaders of change in the future. Be with me until the end of this journey. Best wishes, Nima.